Swim at your own risk.
Stings can be extremely painful. Swim at your own risk. Oh no, there's jellyfish there. So guys, transferring resort na because this is the resort that we used to. Yeah. Sekdaya. Checking in sa Sekdaya. Dako kayo ilahang resort.
Whew. Tamo.
Nasa na yung bibigyan ikon.
Look at what?
The CR.
We're here na, guys. We're here at Sekdaya and now we are going to the beach front.
It's so nice here. Picture. Sisij, look at Papa. Do you like it here? Sij, can you read that?
Extremely painful. Swim at your own risk.
Stings can be extremely painful. Swim at your own risk. Oh no, there's jellyfish there.
Yeah.
There's jellyfish though. Caution. Guys, it's low tide pa guys. Low tide pa here sa Sekdaya. Ano pa? But the resort is so nice. We're here na po sa Sekdaya.
We're here
There.
again.
Sekdaya.
We're
Ano to?
swimming again.
Saan sa Sekdaya? There. Sekdaya there. Sekdaya. Hello guys.
Hi guys, we're going back to the swimming pool because
Wa kay mi nakaligo kay a lot of jellyfish ang Sekdaya. And we're afraid.
and we are
Creepy crawly. Na creepy crawly oh. Fresh kay lang dagat guys, a lot of jellyfish.
not advisable if naamoy kids.
Na hadlok si Sid kay dagko ang jellyfish. Kuyaw kayo mapilitan og jellyfish. Tong before guys, tong nagligo mi diri.
Kabalo.
Wa mi kabalo abi na mo katul. Uy, katul. Karon nga nanay sign nga jellyfish. Ay na jellyfish di ay.
Dana kita po tagdako nga jellyfish.
Yeah. Sa una kay, uy katul raman ang dagat. Pumaak siguro ang mga fish. Karon day na day daghang jellyfish. Mo dito gapang sting. Abi na magpaak to sa mga ano. Backpacker to sa mga isda. Uy, naman isda ka pa mga.
Dayon ilahang crab guys, so kay mistiso. Puti.
So guys, mo to guys, update lang. Nice king resort. Isa ko mangihi kay para kung naay masting reserve. Reserve
ang puan.
Reserve.
Di manggut.
Swimming pool lang muna tayo guys kasi maraming ano doon guys. Jellyfish.
Ang gamay.
so tired.
Patay. Lansin kayo eh.
Kain na tayo ng panihapon. Panihapon natin. Kasi nagugutom na tayo.
Saka. Explain na saka.
Dinner. Nandito ako sa corner ng swimming pool because I'm trapped here. Ano yun? Merong floater. Bia and Jesus trap me.
Hi, Sisij! What did you do to your papa? What did you do to papa? Who's hungry bata?
Me. I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Kain muna ng dinner, guys. Sarap.
We have calamari.
Calamares.
Calamaris. Chicken.
Butter chicken. And what is this? Putirong baka.
And
French fries. Sisig is eating. Wow. Nice. Day 2 guys. Day 2 here in Sikdeya. Sikdeya. Tada! Sikdeya. They have villas. Their villas so nice. So nice here. So so refreshing. So peaceful. Sid. Sage, this is the playground. Look at their playground. Let's look at their playground, Timmy. Huh? That's their playground there. Yeah. This is their lobby, guys. A lobby with the Big Eagle Sikdeya Beach Resort. Their bar. Breakfast guys. Salamat. The Filipino breakfast, the American breakfast. Fresh fruits. Wow, malipasid.
Wow. Butter yung butter.
I like that. I like that breakfast. Guys, it's high tide na here at Sikdeya. Look at them. They're gonna swim na. They're just gonna sit there sa stair. But we're just careful kay nahay jellyfish. Wow, a lot of fish.
Yay!
So guys, we're going to check out now. Because it's 11 a.m. See you soon next time. Dali mo dagan kay fish. Dali sa ilalo man eh. Wow! Go here, Sage! Sage!
Papa, help me.
Why? It's okay lang the shell. It's okay lang. Swim there to mama.
That's okay, you got it.
Okay. Go to mama. Swim there, swim. Go, swim. message. Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy the beach? So peaceful kay diri guys, so serene. There's their parking area. Going to Sekdaya shooting range para dito sa mga mahilig og bang bang. Shooting Sekdaya. Wow. Kamulo pag construct. Guys, we're checking out na from Sekdaya Beach Resort. It's a super nice beach, and if you want to visit them, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. So funny.
Say bye-bye, Sisi.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. See you soon. Mingaw kaayo.
Yeah.
Docking.
Ah, we're docking na. Yeah. And they're ready to come out na. Yeah.